welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I changed it up a little bit. I'm recording my message before I go shopping. I'm up. Yeah. And today is so simple. It's only a few ingredients. Last night, I prepared my fastest recipe in the West, my chili mac. It's a great comfort food. It's fast and it's really, really good. So yeah, my chili mac. I don't know if I've done this, but I will put up the ingredient list and a short method or instructions and how I put it all together. It's super simple. Today, this is being the Sunday before payday. This week's typical of the last week. I'm trying to dig into the pantry and take care of it and use up some of the stuff I already have. So tonight is pancakes and bacon. Yeah, I have some bacon left over. I know. Sacrilege. I have bacon left over from last week. And I got Bisquick. I got milk. Well, eggs. I'm going to be trying an egg product. Because eggs, I don't like being negative. Eggs are expensive if you can find them. Just saying. For all you bakers out there, I really feel for you. Really do. And all you egg lovers. So let's get to it. Hardware. I've had this griddle for a number of years, and I only use it on certain occasions, but this is one of them. I love doing pancakes on this beautiful, wide, big surface, and it's non-stick. So that's what I'll be using. Good old Bisquick, whole milk, a little bit of vegetable oil, egg. I have one egg, but like I said earlier, a few seconds ago, could be playing with that. A little bit of bacon, and of course, good old maple syrup. Depending on this, let me read it to you. This real egg product, I might do some scrambled eggs too. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. I'm going to keep it real short because I've got a meeting this morning, and then I'm going to go grocery shopping, and then Robin later on, around early afternoon, is coming to pick up some leftovers of the chili mac I prepared last night. Yeah. So, on this Sunday, by the way, it's currently raining here in Sutter County, California. We're supposed to have, Okay, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.